Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, we'll make Turkish style poached eggs. This is one of my childhood favorites, to the point that when I was 5 years old, this is the only thing I would eat. It consists of four parts. We're going to first make a garlicky yogurt part. We are going to poach an egg. We are going to make a buttery sauce with red pepper flakes, and we are going to top it off with some sourdough bread. It's very filling, very delicious, and super easy to make. So to make the garlic yogurt, I'm adding here about 2 tablespoons of homemade yogurt. And if you want to make your own yogurt, you can find the recipe on my channel. It's quite easy and it tastes much better than the store-bought stuff. And I'm adding 1 garlic clove, and you can adjust the garlic according to your taste. You can leave it out completely if you want to. And some salt. I'm giving everything a good whisk and setting this aside. To make the buttery part, I'm transferring the butter to my pan here. I'm going to wait until it's melted and it's golden brown. And I'm doing this on a simmer because I don't want to burn the butter. I just want the butter to take that golden color. And after we see that, we're going to add the red pepper flakes. And see the color here? This is looking great. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I'm going to give everything a good stir. And our buttery part is ready. And here I've got my cast iron skillet, which has been preheated. And I'm going to put the sourdough bread in there and let it toast on the skillet. And then that will be ready as well. And now let's poach the egg. So the easiest way to poach an egg is that you have a cold egg and you crack it into a glass bowl. And you take a lemon and you put a few drops of lemon in here so that the egg white will hold itself in the simmering water. And here I have some water on a gentle simmer. And I'm transferring the egg in there carefully. And I'm going to leave it in the simmering water for about 3 minutes. And then the egg will be ready. And after 3 minutes, I'm taking out the poached egg. And I'm transferring it on top of a paper towel to get rid of the excess moisture. And now, let's put the whole thing together. I've got a bowl here. I'm putting some of that garlicky yogurt that we made, all of it actually, transferring the poached egg on top. Very carefully. And pouring in that beautifully flavored butter. And of course, that beautifully toasted sourdough bread. And it's ready. I topped this off with a little bit of fresh dill, and it looks so delicious and so yummy. And in Turkish we call this ÇILBIR. And now it's the best part. We are going to get into that egg. The egg is cooked to perfection. It goes wonderfully with the garlicky yogurt, with the butter that has been flavored with some red pepper flakes and with some sourdough bread. It's really to die for. Please get in your kitchens and try our ÇILBIR recipe. And if you do like it, do leave your comments down below. I share a lot of easy, breezy, wholesome Mediterranean recipes, so please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I hope to see you next time. Bye!